Hi everyone! I wanna make a quick review video about baking soda which I bought from Amazon USA recently. I just got these about $1 each, so it's pretty cheap, and maybe it's cheaper than you buy from grocery store like Safeway. And this is quite useful and effective, so that's why I wanna show you. I usually use this as a deodorizer in my bathroom or in my refrigerator, and it really works to remove bad smell. If you have kimchi or cheese or other fermented food in fridge sometimes smell so terrible, so it's very good. You can also use white vinegar to remove bad smell of fridge, but this is recommendable for people who have a pet like cats or dogs because it's quite safe, and also you can use inside powder. After you use this as deodorizer, you can use inside powder to clean your bathroom, because this just made from simple ingredient, just one ingredient, sodium bicarbonate. So you can use as a surface cleaner, and it cleans my bathroom very well, and my bathroom tile become much whiter and clean, from corner to corner. So it's very useful as eco-friendly cleaning agent too. And if you wanna make strong alkaline water, you just need to boil the sodium bicarbonate. You just need to put 1 tablespoon baking soda into boiling water and boil for a while. The alkaline level becomes stronger, so you can make easily strong alkaline water, and you can use it for cleaning, just to clean clogged pipe, or if you soak your dirty t-shirts or kids socks into strong alkaline water, it will become natural whitening agent. So it's very useful, but you can't use these for cooking, of course. You need to buy food grade one, but I bought all of these just for cleaning. I use more I use better quality ones than this when I bake cookies or brownie, because I don't know about the quality of Amazon Fresh yet, so I don't use this for cooking, but I just got these because it's cheaper. And also baking soda is a very simple and eco-friendly way to clean your home, so you don't need to use harsh chemicals to whiten everything in your home, and it's actually very toxic both for people and pets. So if you have a pet, I recommend you to buy these to remove bad smell of your bathroom or your room, and also use these to clean your house or whiten your t-shirts, naturally. You can also use baking soda to brush your teeth too. If you dilute baking soda, you can also brush your pet's teeth too, and it's also quite effective to remove plaque safely, but you need to dilute too. And you can also gargle your mouth with diluted baking soda, and it keeps your mouth clean for a long time before you will go to date with your partner. So please try that, and thank you for watching. I hope my tips will help your life a little bit. Bye bye!